Hello and welcome to this video on how to master your emotions and regain control in stressful situations. Stressful situations are a part of everyone's life and can be overwhelming at times. However, it's crucial to learn how to control your emotions to avoid getting stuck in a negative cycle. In this video, we will discuss 5 powerful techniques that can help you regain control of your emotions. The first technique is to practice deep breathing. When you're stressed out, your breathing can become shallow and rapid, which can increase feelings of anxiety. By taking slow, deep breaths, you can slow down your heart rate and calm your mind. Try inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, and exhaling for 4 seconds. Repeat this for a few minutes until you feel more relaxed. The second technique is to identify your triggers. Everyone has different triggers that can lead to stress and anxiety. It could be a particular situation, person, or thought. By identifying your triggers, you can prepare yourself for the situation and develop coping mechanisms that work for you. For example, if public speaking is a trigger, you can practice your speech beforehand or take deep breaths before going on stage. The third technique is to reframe your thoughts. Negative thoughts can fuel feelings of anxiety and stress. However, by reframing your thoughts, you can change your perspective and reduce negative emotions. For example, instead of thinking, "I'll never get this done on time," you can reframe it to, "I'll do my best, and that's all I can do." The fourth technique is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and accepting your thoughts and feelings without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, you can increase self-awareness and reduce stress. You can practice mindfulness by focusing on your breath, noticing your thoughts without judgment, and being aware of your surroundings. The fifth and final technique is to engage in physical activity. Exercise is a natural stress reliever that can help reduce tension and clear your mind. Even a short walk can have a significant impact on your mood and energy levels. So, next time you feel stressed, try going for a walk, jog, or bike ride. In conclusion, these 5 powerful techniques can help you regain control of your emotions in stressful situations. Remember to practice deep breathing, identify your triggers, reframe your thoughts, practice mindfulness, and engage in physical activity. By implementing these techniques into your daily life, you can reduce stress and increase emotional control. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.